I will subtract first the whole numbers. I have 21 minus 10 equals 11. My problem right now looks like this. I have 11 minus 5 over 8. In order to subtract from the whole number fraction, you have to convert the whole number to improper fraction by writing the whole number over 1. 11 over 1 minus 5 over 8. The common denominator for these two fractions is going to be 8, because 8 is divisible by 8 and 8 is divisible by 1. So I have 11 over 1 and I have 5 over 8. We said the common denominator for these two fractions is 8. The question is, by what number I have to multiply 1 to get 8? I have to multiply by 8. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator, times 8. 11 times 8 gives me 88. By what number I have to multiply 8 to get 8? I have to multiply by 1. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator, times 1. That's why this is 5. I'm going to copy these fractions into my equation. That's why I'm going to have 88 over 8 minus 5 over 8. Now I can perform the subtraction because I have common denominator. 88 minus 5 is 83 over 8. Now I'm not seeing any common factor for these two numbers. That's why I have to perform the long division. I have 83 over 8. How many times 8 goes into 8? 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract 8 minus 8 gives me 0. Bring down 3. How many times 8 goes into 3? 0 times. 0 times 8 gives me 0. Subtract 3 minus 0 gives me 3. That's why my answer is 10 3 over 8. Remember, the top goes to the front, remainder goes to the numerator, and the divisor goes to the denominator. That's why my answer is 10 3 over 8.